Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm coming with BOXYCHARM, and it's probably going to be the last BOXYCHARM Premium that we see on this channel. And we'll see why in a second. Now, I might end up doing one more just to see, and I feel like I'll sign up for collabs that they do, but I'm tired of this. Let's just dive right in, guys. And no, I'm not trying to be negative. It's the furthest thing I want to be. I just don't want to waste my money on something that the original box that we get is better than almost every single month. So why pay more for a second box when it's not any good? And I'm just being real with you guys because I don't want y'all to waste your money. But let's check it out, open her up, and see what's good. So as you can see, it is the BOXYCHARM Premium. And if you see something here, this is a monitor. I don't have something like stuck in my bra. There's no dollars, unfortunately. Alright guys, so we're going to take this out, and this is what we have. It says BOXYCHARM invite only, Boxy Beauty Bash, get a free gift valued up to $400. New details will drop all month long. Shop our annual holiday blowout sale now to score up to $80 off retail. So I guess that's going on currently, and when this video goes up tomorrow, you'll be able to make your choices for the following month, right? For December. Yeah, that's what month we're in at this point. So the first thing that I have here is the KVD Locket Powder Foundation, and that retails for $37. So I ended up getting this in fair with like a yellowish undertone because I am more of a light to light medium with a yellow undertone, but I figured since it was the only thing that they had left, I could try it for like under eye, or highlighting parts of my face is where I thought I would go with this. Weird. So that comes on top of it. And then this is what the front of it looks like. KVD, no longer Kat Von D. So this looks like it might be good for under the eyes. Let's just try. So I actually have the Locket foundation brush here. Oh, I just threw the sponge. I have the Locket foundation brush here. This is for like liquids and stuff, but I can definitely use it right now. I don't know what this one piece, this one curl is like. I'm just going to separate from the rest. So I'm going to dip it in and then just highlight here. Oh, it's like perfect for that, actually. It might not be the worst color for me now that I'm playing with it. Maybe I'll have to try this out in like a full video one day. We'll see. We'll see where this goes, where this leads to. But I have a blemish. Let's cover that up and see. Okay, nice. I actually think this is going to be slightly too light for me, but perfect for exactly what I was thinking it would be when I picked it out. So that's not a bad thing, and I do hear great things about this product in general. So like I said, that's a $37 value. The next thing I see on here is the Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now is what it's called. And it's for waking up, fighting dark circles, and puffiness. Now, I don't get a lot of puffiness. I get a tad bit of dark circles, but nothing I would call too crazy. So I don't know if this is going to be the best product for me. I'm probably not going to open this, but we can definitely venture to open it up and see. Sorry about the noise, guys. So this is what it looks like, a little dropper like this. It's interesting that this is an eye serum. Okay, so that's an eye serum. The next thing I see here is the Rhodial Blush and Rhodial, I believe it is, blush drops, and these are $50. It is a new launch, and it says it enhances skin's luminosity by adding healthy flush of color. I actually used a liquid blush today, but can't really see it all that well, so let's play. Let's play with the blush. $50. Alright, if you say so. So let me just get my sponge out real quick that I was using. This is just a regular e.l.f. sponge, and we will take the dropper. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand like this a little bit. So it looks like a thicker consistency. I don't know if you can see, but I'm able to leave my hand down. It's not really like dripping down my hand like a lot of other liquid blushes. Okay, so we'll just, and then we'll take more and go right up where I had the other. I still have a ton on my hand, so let's see what that would look like if I just, oh wow, we're metallic pink, aren't we? So that's what it's gonna look like there, just in case you can't see it on my face. It feels kind of oily, maybe like skincare in a blush. It's not really drying down easily, at least not as of yet. I'm always giving you guys the finger, aren't I, somehow? Sorry, guys. Okay, so it blends out very nicely. It's a pretty color for sure. Oh wow, we went heavy over here. But like I said, it blends out nice. We're about to find out how nicely, because there was a lot on there. So it does definitely get a beautiful shine. Although this is still not dry. If you can see, I'm kind of like moving it about still. So that's interesting. Okay, well, maybe that just takes a little bit of time to dry down. Oh my goodness. I'm not really sure, but that's pretty, and I will use it. So I feel like that's the first real thing that I received in this box that I could see myself really using. The KVD is cool, but it's not exactly my color, although it would be perfect for setting, like I said. So the next thing I see on here is the Sutra Beauty. This is a $45 hair serum. So now I definitely could use this too. If you can see, my hair is actually naturally red, like a red brown, or like almost like strawberry blonde color. And I obviously dye my hair darker and then make it purple. So this would be good for my hair. It says that it is for protecting hair and reducing frizz, rejuvenating, infused with healthy ingredients to leave hair shiny and smooth. So I read a little bit about this, and I think it said it was best to use at the ends of your hair and very little bit for flyaways after hair is dry. But I believe you can also use it ahead of time before you do your hair, and then you're going to use an oil, so don't be alarmed when you just see like smoke coming off of it. That's actually not a bad thing when you're doing your hair, as long as there's product on your hair, because you want to be burning the product off, not the moisture and your actual hair. So don't be surprised, but it's also not a bad thing. And I'm not a crazy hair person, I just know a little bit, so if I'm wrong, just tell me I'm wrong down there. And then let's see, Rhodial Oil Original Roll-On Oil, $50. Where is this? Okay, so that's this right here. Oh my gosh, no. Is it a perfume? I believe it's a perfume. It smells clean and subtle. This natural oil creates a signature scent that is unique to you, which is kind of cool. Almost like your pheromones, probably is your pheromones. Oops, sorry. It says original, and then back here it's a question mark. So it's a roll-on ball. It's very musky, if I could explain it. Definitely very musky. I don't know if I'll use that. I have asthma, so things are easily triggering to my asthma, and wearing a scent like that all day could be bothersome for sure, but I never know how it's going to react to me. As it says, it reacts differently to each person, so maybe it'll be different and I'll be able to wear it. I don't know that I'm going to try it though, but $50 for an oil. And who said we wanted perfume? Maybe if this was like, I'd be real mad actually if it was Boxy Luxe. I was going to say maybe if it was Boxy Luxe, because that would make more sense. But hey, this is where we are now, guys. It reminds me of Ipsy, because Ipsy's always sending random scents, whether you want them or not. And the next thing is Garlactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. It has argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. This retails for $20. If you hear this in my voice, it's because she's still sick from COVID, guys. And every time I start to get better, I have days that are worse. And today my lungs were bad. Not like any day since then my lungs have been great, but today was one that was not wonderful. Okay, so I'm just trying to get this opened. Oh, sorry. Oh gosh. Oh, it's really pretty and unique. So it's got roses in it, if you guys can see. Really pretty packaging. I love the packaging. I don't want to try it on because, oh, it bit my neck the wrong way. Has anybody ever done that? Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, so I don't want to try this because I feel like I'm going to rub this gloss off onto it and then it's going to affect it. But currently, just so you guys know, I have the shade, I believe this is a Dragon Glass in the color Nikita on my lips. And I love this color. It's like a My Lips, but I don't know, better. And then I have, what palette on? Oh, Laura Lee's Nudie Patootie, the first one. I still have the second one to show to you guys and do an unboxing with. Well, we got sick every time, and I've had it since my birthday, so there's that. But yeah, I just don't feel like this anymore with the price increase is worth it for me. I feel like things are largely inflated there, like everything else in America right now, and I'm just really not with it. So this could be the last time we see this on my channel. Like I said, there might be one more box. I don't want to be like a liar. I don't want to say this is and then it's not, but I really don't see why I would continue to waste my money on this. And then the other part of it is I might definitely sign up for when they do, you know, a pairing with another box like they did with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I can't say never, but I think we're done for an every month thing, and I'm sorry. Let me know down below if that's something you guys really come here to see or if just the base box works. Right now I'm like, as being sick, my business is the only thing running for me. I'm not currently working. I'm taking gigs here and there when I feel up to it, but I'm not supposed to be working at all. So it's hard to continue to buy everything when my only source of income is my business, and then that has been lowered so greatly due to COVID, the entertainment world. So yeah, let me know like something you definitely want, but I think that money could go like to better places, like buying something I actually really like I mentioned back in an old video, and sitting here and playing with it with you guys and letting you know how that product is, or something I hear great things about. You know what I mean? So, like I said, let me know down below. Let me know how you're doing. I hope that you guys are all safe and well. How were your boxes this month? Were they actually any good? Did I just get a dud? Who knows? But not really feeling it anymore. And the only thing I really like is this blush. And it's still like oily, not dried down all the way. So I think I like it. We'll see how my skin reacts to it. But yeah, have a wonderful week, guys. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe out there. And I will see you when the rest of the Ipsys and the rest of the BOXYCHARMs and even FabFitFun this month when they arrive. I will see you guys soon. I love you all and have a wonderful week. Bye, guys.